Mr. Okay, we're on the record in cause number 328524, the state of Texas versus Rakeem Barkel Allen. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Allen, do you have a face mask? Okay, thank you, Mr. Allen. Mr. Allen, how are you doing? Mr. Allen, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, sir. What about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Allen, as a defendant in the criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
And number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving the right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. If you want an attorney, you can change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Now, Mr. Allen, if your choice is to hire an attorney, your case will be reset. If you have already hired an attorney, please tell the court the name of that attorney, and that attorney will be contacted and he will be given your reset date. If you want to apply for a court-appointed attorney, you would have to fill out a financial questionnaire to see if you are eligible. Or if you have been appointed a court-appointed attorney, please state the name of that court-appointed attorney, and that attorney will be contacted and given a copy of your reset date. If you want to waive your right to represent yourself, please inform the court that that is your desire. Now, Mr. Allen, do you desire to hire an attorney to represent you to see if, or do you want to see if you qualify for court-appointed attorney, or do you want to waive your right to an attorney to represent yourself?
I'm gonna waive myself. I'm gonna waive my rights and represent myself, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Allen, I need to read to you the written waiver that is included in the states, well, it's included in States Exhibit number 1, which is the misdemeanor plea admonishment. And it states, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed to me free of charge, if I'm found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be appointed, to be represented by an attorney. And before I give up these enumerated rights, it is my decision to represent myself, and I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. Now, Mr. Allen, is that your desire? Mr. Allen,
Sir?
is that your desire?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just hold on a minute.